I think finding your rhythm in life is really important. I've talked recently about waking up in the morning and um, waking up early versus waking up later. And I'm finding more and more that I'm really comfortable letting myself sleep until I'm rested. This is assuming I don't have, an appointment early in the morning that I need to get up for. So, I'll sleep till like 7:30, and it's not a problem. Um, but I am going through a molting process where I'm releasing a persona or a mindset that I've held for most of my life, that you have to get up early. And I'm finding that that's not really me. And it's kind of funny because I know not that long ago I was talking in one of these videos about getting up early and really wanting to operate that way. And I think that was kind of like the last gasp of this mentality that I adopted when I was very little, because my dad would come in and wake me up, and he always got up very early. And I think I started telling myself when I was very young that the way to operate was to get up early. And for as long as I can remember, when I would get up in the morning, I would feel like this, pressure to be productive in the morning. And as I'm allowing myself to sleep longer, I'm noticing that pressure going away as I'm finding my own rhythm in the morning. And it doesn't mean that I'm not productive. I'm actually quite productive. Just I'm doing it at my own pace. And all my life, I've had this voice in my head. Like, I would get up in the morning and it was like, all right, let's go do something. Let's go do something that makes me feel productive. But it was like fake. It was somebody else's voice. It was me trying to live to somebody else's standards. And now, finally, at the age of almost 49, I'm finding my own rhythm. And it's kind of scary because it's like, when you release a part of yourself that you've kind of been living with for a long time, it's kind of, you feel kind of naked. It's like, oh, wait a second. Is this right? Am I making a big mistake? Like, what if this fails? But then, pretty quickly, it's like, oh, this feels really good. And so it's actually quite an important time for me. It's like, initially I didn't think it was that big a deal, and I'm actually realizing it's quite a big deal. So, it feels good to be going through this transitional phase and kind of finding a deeper, more gratifying rhythm that's truly my own, where I'm actually more productive because I'm in tune with myself. Whereas before, I would kind of be doing stuff and I would be telling myself I was being productive, but it wasn't really, I wasn't in flow. Now I'm more in flow. So I'm happier, I'm more rested, I'm more alert throughout the day, and I'm every bit as productive. I'm probably more productive, and I'm happier with the work that I'm doing because I'm more focused, and more present when I'm doing it. So just kind of aligning, like, bit by bit, you know, aligning my energy throughout the day, and it feels really good. It's like putting a Rubik's cube together, kind of twist by twist, turn by turn, getting it more and more into alignment. So, pretty interesting revelation. It's interesting that you can carry around a persona for decades and not really know that it's not your own, and then kind of realize, oh, I've been carrying this extra weight psychologically for so long. It's like nice to set it down and then, stand up and look around at the world through your own authentic eyes.